The field of NLP is expected to continue to evolve rapidly, with technological advancements and the increasing availability of large-scale datasets for training. Here are some ways we can expect NLP to evolve over the next few years. The first is that NLP is expected to gain a deeper contextual understanding, so getting better at understanding semantics and general word knowledge, and even being able to have reasoning capabilities behind its decisions. The second is multimodal understanding, so NLP will be fed not only with text data, but with images, videos, and audio, so that the language model can get an even better understanding of how language works in the different contexts it can be used. As the demand for faster, more interactive NLP solutions increases, we'll also see advancements in the optimization of model architectures, as well as the technologies required to deliver more real-time solutions. We're also going to be hearing more conversations around ethical considerations, biases, and privacy concerns to ensure we keep fairness, inclusivity, and transparency at the forefront of any new NLP development. As you'll have seen going through this course, NLP has so many amazing applications for our everyday lives. I truly hope you've enjoyed going through this course with me, getting an introduction to natural language processing, and hopefully you're ready to start building some NLP solutions of your own.